Ready for a truly transformative journey in the world of finance? In today's fascinating video, we'll unravel the 9 secrets you will never be poor again. And to make this experience even more enriching, let's delve into the mind-blowing story of the Zen master, a sage whose extraordinary revelations promise to light the way to a truly prosperous life. Be prepared, because this narrative not only tells a story, but can effectively change your perspective on money, abundance, and the true meaning of wealth. Let us begin our journey of wisdom with the first secret revealed by the Zen master, material detachment. In a society driven by unbridled consumption, he teaches us the art of giving up the incessant search for material goods. Understanding that true wealth lies in simplicity, Master Zen invites us to cultivate gratitude for what we already have. It is in the liberation of the bonds of materialism that we find the key to a fuller and more meaningful existence. So take a deep breath and allow yourself to absorb this valuable lesson of detachment that will lead us to a path of authentic prosperity. In the second chapter of the Secrets of the Zen Master, we enter the concept of mindful spending, conscious spending. In this practice, he leads us on a journey of financial awareness, highlighting the vital importance of spending with discernment. Zen Master urges us to prioritize what truly adds value to our lives, while warning us about the unnecessary impulses that often cloud our financial judgment. By incorporating this principle, we transform our transactions into deliberate choices, building a solid foundation for genuine prosperity. Prepare to immerse yourself in the universe of mindful spending, a practice that redefines the relationship between us and our money. In the third chapter of the Secrets of the Zen Master, we unveil the crucial importance of investment in knowledge. According to the sage, true wealth is rooted in continuous learning. He guides us to realize that, in any economic circumstance, knowledge is the key that unlocks the doors of prosperity. By investing in expanding our wisdom, we not only broaden our skills, but also strengthen our resilience to financial challenges. Therefore, prepare to embark on this journey of intellectual enrichment, because, according to the Zen master, the constant search for knowledge is the safe way to prosper. In the fourth chapter of the teachings of the Zen master, we are faced with the balance between work and leisure. This secret reveals the ancestral wisdom that highlights the crucial importance of balancing professional demands with moments of rest. The Zen master urges us to understand that, by nourishing our body and mind with leisure periods, we not only promote our efficiency, but also stimulate creativity in professional activities. Prepare to embrace this philosophy that recognizes the harmony between effort and rest as the key to a full and successful professional life. We now enter the fifth chapter of the Secrets of the Zen Master, unveiling the practice of financial gratitude. This secret leads us on a path of appreciation, where each achievement, regardless of its size, becomes a reason for gratitude. The Zen Master reveals that this practice not only creates a positive atmosphere around us, but also acts as a magnet, attracting more prosperity to our lives. Prepare to incorporate gratitude as a powerful tool in your financial journey, because, according to the Zen master, true wealth begins when we learn to recognize and value each step on the path of our progress. As we explore the sixth secret of the Zen master, we come across the attraction to spiritual knowledge. If you feel an irresistible attraction to esoteric themes and seek spiritual knowledge, know that this can be a significant clue. The Zen master suggests that this inclination is a call to a deeper journey, a quest that can lead to a richer and more meaningful understanding of the universe. Be prepared to embark on this spiritual journey, because, according to the Zen master, the attraction for spiritual knowledge is a reliable guide in the search for a deeper understanding of existence. As we unravel the seventh secret of the Zen master, we are faced with entrepreneurship with purpose. He guides us by a philosophy where creating a business goes beyond mere profit. The Zen master teaches that the motivation to undertake must be driven by the genuine desire to contribute to the collective well-being. Be aware that, according to the sage, true prosperity arises when the success of your business not only benefits you, but also extends to positively impact the lives of others. Prepare to absorb this unique vision of entrepreneurship, because, according to Zen Master, true business success is intrinsically linked to the ability to generate prosperity for the whole community. As we explore the 8th secret of the Zen Master, we come across the wisdom of errors. This secret invites us to face financial challenges as valuable learning opportunities. The Zen Master, with his unique insight, encourages us not to fear failures, but to see them as stepping stones to success. Be ready to assimilate the transformative philosophy that every financial setback is a chance for growth. According to Master Zen, it is in overcoming adversity that we find true wisdom, transforming each challenge into a step towards lasting success. Prepare to embrace the journey of learning from mistakes, because for the Zen Master, true mastery arises from the ability to transform adversity into opportunities for evolution. We come to the 9th secret, which is bestowal and sharing. The wise enlighten us with the wisdom that true wealth is not accumulated, but multiplied when shared. He points out that contributing to significant causes not only enriches the lives of those who receive, but also creates a virtuous cycle of abundance. Be prepared to understand that, for the Zen Master, generosity is the key to unlocking a constant flow of prosperity. By incorporating bestowal and sharing into our financial journey, we are not only building wealth that transcends material, but also contributing to a more prosperous and compassionate world. So prepare to embrace the powerful lesson of the 9th secret, where true wealth flourishes when it is shared with an open heart. May these secrets serve not only as knowledge, but as practical guides in our quest for a life of genuine prosperity. True wealth goes beyond the numbers in a bank account, it lies in the harmony between financial wisdom and the ability to contribute to collective well-being. If these secrets resonated with you and aroused a desire for financial and spiritual improvement, do not forget to leave your like, share with friends and family, and, of course, subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the next posts.